tâche, savoir combien tu vas faire par jour. So for my understanding, we say we come 10 meters from there up to this. Agree that this is our 10 meters. Yeah. And this is go 10 meters up there, a line. So this is our sanitary couloir. I think we are planning to get about 27,000 people in all sectors. Huh?
Across the 4 sectors is around 27,000.
27,000, yeah, exactly.
This is the second sector to be developed.
Yeah.
We're hoping to develop sector 2 in the near future.
Okay. Because we have a plan to say which type of latrine to build here.
Okay.
So, and we say, let's start by this emergency type of, like what we are doing.
Yep. It's the pit type latrines that we see in sector.
Yeah. That will do. That will do in each sector.
Well, congratulations on the emergency latrines, the cubicles.
Yeah.
It's some of the nicest I've seen. They're really.
I think even people are not complaining because food or whatever. But I think they have the best facility to compare to other camps. Correct. I think they have the best.
Not just in Haiti. I've seen these things all around the world. they're nicely developed.
Yeah.
Moi, je suis Jacques Chelda, je suis PHP, assistant. Je teste l'eau quotidiennement. Là, on a un pool testeur, c'est pour tester l'eau, c'est le kit. On cherche le taux de chlore résiduel dans l'eau qu'il y a dans le bladder. Ah, ça va pas rester, ça va pas rester. Et pour ce bladder-là, c'est environ de 0,7 mg par litre. Et le taux de chlore résiduel dans l'eau, on peut dire que l'eau est traitée et les personnes du camp peuvent boire l'eau sans danger.
In terms of water, we are providing 90 cubic meters per day here in this camp, which is enough to cover the need of the population of 5,000 people. And our idea is to find a longer-term solution for water in 3 months. This site had been bought by the government. And yes, as you can see, it's quite a bit remote from the Port-au-Prince, and with less opportunity of job. 80% of the population here, they are young. So you have population with a lot of energy and a lot of expectation for job.
C'est Louis Désir. Juste depuis avant tout, nous sommes souterrés en Delmacan, des sous-clubs américains. Nous avons toujours continué, c'est ça m'apprend moi-même, cosmétologie. C'est cosmétologie m'apprend. Et on va vraiment pile. Et puis, depuis que je viens là, je suis ouvert devant tout le monde, je suis client. Puis, je suis beaucoup de travail. Je suis venu vraiment, je suis venu là, je suis venu bel petit côté, même si poussière, vous êtes en train de faire trop. Et puis, je suis dit, je vais l'argent, je travaille volontairement, je peux toucher. Puis, je n'attends. Petit frère.
The humanitarian situation catastrophe happened in Port-au-Prince, which is a city, and then to shift people from the city to bring them here. I think it was a good idea at the first stage of emergency, while to ensure that people, they are quite safe, and then maybe people will continue to think. But this area here may be transformed in the near future in city. If with our longer plan of water system here in the area, and if the government also committed to what you have said that we've done, to have a good shelter here, this also and create other opportunity for maybe industries or whatever around as it's planned. If this happens, this can be another city, and I think this can be okay.